we are familiar with lists already. I just create the list of food. And now we want to ask the user for new food, right? For instance, we could ask the user for using input. We'd write something like, okay, name a food, or name a dish, I don't care, or name something. So, and we store this in a variable, for instance, new food. And we can do something like ask the list if it contains new food. So we can do something like print new food, new in food. I'm using a loop, okay? But this has nothing to, well, let's just use this more than once. So if I write a food that is not in the list, for instance, cheese, yes, it will say false because cheese is not in food. If I write a name of food that is in the list, for instance, pizza, then it will say true. So what I was trying to do here is say, okay, ask the user for a color. If the color is not in colors, ask again, because the user did not pick any of the admissible colors. Yes? Do you see why I'm using this while? I'm saying, okay, while the color is not one of the admissible colors, which are in this tuple here, ask again. Ask the user again for a color.